Number 1. Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer 6 Cute, the innovation leader. Why this is the best choice. The Cosori Turbo Blaze stands out as the top air fryer for fries, with its revolutionary Turbo Blaze technology, featuring a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed. This premium ceramic-coated model heats from 90 degrees to 450 degrees, with precise temperature control and 5 adjustable fan speeds, ensuring perfectly crispy, golden fries every time. Key benefits: superior crispiness, innovative turbo blaze. Technology delivers restaurant-quality crispy fries with consistent, even cooking. Large capacity. The 6-quart square basket accommodates entire family meals while saving counter space. Healthier cooking. Enjoy traditional fried taste with up to 95% less oil, verified by SGS Lab. 9 versatile functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, dry, frozen, proof, reheat, and keep warm settings. User-friendly features: automatic shutoff, 100+ in-app recipes with nutrition facts, and quiet operation at less than 53 dB. The Cosori's premium ceramic coating is non-stick and heat-resistant, making cleanup effortless. This is the best air fryer for fries. Number 2. Ninja DC01 Foodie 8-quart dual-zone air fryer, best for large families. Why this is the best choice. The Ninja Dual Zone offers unprecedented cooking flexibility, with 2 independent 4-quart baskets, allowing you to prepare up to 4 pounds of French fries or 2 completely different dishes simultaneously. This 8-quart capacity makes it the best air fryer for fries when feeding larger households. Key benefits: dual independent baskets, cook 2 foods 2 ways at the same time, eliminating back-to-back cooking frustration. Smart Finish technology intelligently coordinates cooking times so different foods finish simultaneously. XL capacity fits mains and sides together, or cook up to 4 lobs of French fries in one session. 6 cooking functions: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Healthier results. Achieve up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Easy maintenance. Dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates. The Ninja's separate heating zones and cyclonic fans ensure even cooking across both baskets. This is the best air fryer for fries for families who want convenience and capacity without compromise. Number 3. Ninja XL Single Basket Air Fryer 5.5 QT. Best overall value. Why this is the best choice. The Ninja AF150 AMZ combines exceptional functionality with an affordable price point, making it the best value air fryer for fries on Amazon. Cons. With its 5.5-quart ceramic-coated basket, it fits up to 3 pounds of French fries, while delivering professional-grade results. Key benefits: XL, family-sized capacity. Cook 3 whelps of fries or chicken wings in one batch. 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate with customizable settings. Precision temperature control. Wide range from 105 degrees to 400 degrees for versatile cooking options. Healthier cooking. Enjoy up to 70% less fat than traditional deep frying, independently tested. Built-in dehydrator. Create homemade fruit chips and veggie snacks with low heat settings. Easy cleanup. Non-stick basket and crisper plate are both dishwasher-safe included accessories. Comes with a 20-recipe chef-inspired cookbook. At 1,750 watts of power, this air fryer delivers rapid, even cooking. It's the best choice for budget-conscious buyers who refuse to sacrifice quality. Number 4. Gourmet Air Fryer 7 QT. Best for visual cooking experience. Why this is the best choice. The Gourmia offers a stunning panoramic window with interior lighting and a futuristic 3D holographic display, making it the best air fryer for fries if you enjoy monitoring your cooking progress. Its FryForce 360-degree technology ensures perfectly golden, crispy results. Key benefits: family size 7 cute, capacity perfect for wings, fries, vegetables, seafood, and full entrees. FryForce 360-degree technology, powerful. 1,500-watt rapid air circulation delivers even, golden crispiness, easy view features, panoramic window, interior light, and holographic display for real-time cooking observation. 12. One-touch presets, dedicated settings for air fry, fries, wings, bacon, seafood, vegetables, and more guided cooking. Smart reminders to add food or turn items for perfectly even results. Quiet operation. Optional mute setting eliminates routine beeps while keeping important alerts active. The Gourmia's 3D holographic display projects time, temperature, and cooking prompts for an engaging cooking experience. This is the best air fryer for fries if visual appeal and guided convenience matter to you. Number 5. NutriChef 5.8 Quart Air Fryer. Best for transparent cooking. Why this is the best choice. The NutriChef features a unique transparent glass bowl and LED touchscreen, making it the best air fryer for fries when you want complete visibility of your cooking. 8 preset cooking modes including a dedicated fries setting ensure consistent results. Key benefits: transparent glass, bowl, watch your fries cook with complete visibility throughout the process. 8 preset modes, specialized settings for shrimp, steak, fries, wings, fish, chicken, and defrost. Precise control, adjustable temperature up to 390 degrees, and timer up to 60 minutes for exact cooking. Powerful 1200-volt performance, fast heating, and even cooking for large portions. 360 degrees. Hot air circulation. Even heating ensures consistently crispy fries every time. Safety features: automatic shutoff and overheat protection. Easy cleaning. Non-stick, dishwasher safe tray, and removable basket. Compact design, sleek, space-saving construction, ideal for smaller kitchens. The transparent window allows you to monitor cooking without opening the basket. This is the best air fryer for fries if visibility and simplicity are your priorities.